All right, got these valve springs. So I took off mine and I'm gonna put it in this one. So I have to order a new head. I use head, and I just got it resurfaced. So I want to put mine back in there. I cleaned them up, but I just want those in there. Let's see, these are brand new. These ones is pretty old. So all you need is this little $20 kit, $25 kit off Amazon. It looks like this, and I'll just put a little nitrate glove over it. Just because I just got this resurfaced, I don't want to stretch it, nothing like that. So all you do is just flip it over. And sideways like this. And this is just going to fit. You're going to put the bottom piece on this, on the valve, so I can keep it while we compressing the spring. So this just pops out. So we're just going to place that like that. Let's unscrew this first. See, you just sit like that. And this right here just snaps right on. Try to do it with holding this like this. And we're just gonna screw this down till to get over the spring. Hope y'all can see it. We'll get a better angle. Wait a minute. Okay, so what we're gonna do is compress the springs until we can see these little clips that looks like this. And we're just gonna grab a magnet and suck it out, but make sure you keep these two together. I think they're a matching set, not really sure, but you don't want to separate them. And if you lose your little piece that come with it, it's over here somewhere. Just grab a screwdriver, just start turning it. I don't feel like looking for it right now. It's probably somewhere around here. It is somewhere around here. So I just had it. So we're just gonna screw. Just keep screwing this. Compressing the spring, nice and slow. See, it's exposed now. See it there? And all you do is get this magnet. That's one. Sometimes you need a pick tool to spin the other one around like that. See there? And get the magnet again. Suck it out. Set that right there. The retainer, I think that's what it's called, a retainer. Now we're just gonna ease this back out. Slowly. Don't want the spring popping out. Last time I did it fast when I was taking those out, and one flew. So just go ahead and bag it out nice and slowly. Yeah, it'll be nice and slow and even. All right. See, I wanted to show y'all that. I didn't unscrew it all the way. I just slid it off, just so I can show y'all what it is. And that's it. That's how you take this valve around. Let me just finish this right quick. Move that out the way. It's hard trying to do with one hand. Let me move this all out the way. All right, and here's the valve there. Just push down on it. It'll come from the bottom. Pull it out. See, that's the old one. And this is the new one. And I'm just gonna toss that in my Audi bucket. We're gonna clean this up. Yeah, I'm gonna clean that up. And just do the rest and go back in reverse order. I'm also gonna replace the seals. I'm gonna replace the seals. This is what the seals look like. Now these just simply pull out. You probably have to break it Just pull out, cut it, pull it, snatch it, whatever you got to do. And just simply slide this over and that's it. Right, like